It's LA. Yeah, with you, Dodo. Yeah, I get the AK-47, big commando. And I go fight for your love, girl, I can be your Django. Yeah, fine girl, come give me that thing, no aristo. Why you don't do me like this? Why you want to leave? Baby, give me one kiss. I know they speak Chinese, I think get my point. Give me love, I no go run away. Baby, give me love, I no go run away. For your love, I go fight Chinese, I no go run if they call police,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday routine. I'm going to start off with this primer that is by NYX, and I use this to just prime my face and feels refreshing. Then I go in with the Master Prime by Maybelline, and I absolutely love this stuff. I use it just to prime all my problem areas, which is like, you know, around my nose, my mouth area, and my forehead. This also makes the makeup, of course, stay in place for a long time. So you have to prime your face. Like, this is key, okay, for good makeup. Then I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows, and I'm just using a regular pencil here. Don't mind me. This pencil is so little, you guys. I need a new one, like ASAP. But I just use this. I got this from the beauty supply, and I just basically draw my eyebrows, and then I fill them in. You have to make sure that you take your time when you do this step. And then, of course, I am gonna be using my Forever LA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn first. And I use the shade Fawn just to like basically hide all my bags. So just to conceal, okay? So I'm also gonna use this to basically just fix my brows, you know what I'm saying, conceal them and make them look a little sharper and clean. So as you can see here, I'm just basically blending everything with my, with my brush. And yeah, basically, you guys, if you guys want me to show you guys how to do my eyebrows in details, let me know in the comments below. And I'm gonna do that for you guys because it's been a while since I did that. So next, I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 112. This shade is darker than me. If you guys will see when I apply it. And I'm gonna be using my Damn Beauty Blender. This one is from Morphe, and I love this beauty blender. It's so smooth. It's very helpful. So you guys can see the foundation is darker on me, but it goes together once I do this step. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal my bags, my Gucci bags that I have. And I'm just applying this, you know, on the under my, well, my bags, of course, the bridge of my nose and my forehead and my chin, and I'm gonna go ahead and just blend everything out. That way it looks smooth. You guys know the drill. Like, I've been doing this forever, so I'm sure if you've been watching my videos, you know the routine already. But what this does basically is it's just gonna conceal and hide all my dark circles that I have under my eyes, because I'm pretty sure a lot of us have that. So that's what I'm doing here, just concealing and blending everything out. Then I go in with a lighter shade. This shade is, I think it's Cool Tan. I'm sorry. Hold on, I can talk. So what this does is it just gives me like a highlight instead of just concealing. So if you guys can see, it's a little bit lighter now, and then my entire face now, it kind of match my neck. So next, I'm gonna be using this palette that I've been having from BH Cosmetics. I forgot the name, and I'm gonna go with this shade just to set my my concealer and everything. Boom. And then next, I'm gonna be using this palette from Morphe. This one is the Morphe, let me see, let me get you the right one, the Morphe 24G palette. I actually love this palette here, so I just use the darkest color on there to oh my god, to contour. Guys, I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long, so like all my words are just like they're not even here. Also, always make sure to contour your forehead, okay? That way everything looks seamless, it doesn't look crazy. And here I'm just basically contouring my nose, making sure that my nose has some type of shape because I don't want my face to look flat. And I'm using the same shade, the same chocolate shade on from the palette. Next, I'm gonna be using my BH Cosmetic blush palette. I've been having this palette for so long, but I love it. And so basically I'm just gonna add some blush here. I don't add a lot because I don't like the, you know, to have like pink cheeks and stuff like that. I just add a little bit so to add some color to my cheeks. And next, I'm gonna be using this mascara, which I love. It's the Lash Science by Simply Naked Beauty, and it's a 3D fiber mascara. I love this mascara. It makes my lashes look fuller and longer, so I recommend this for you guys. Next, I'm gonna be going with the Strip Lash Adhesive by I Envy, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. Don't mind me here. I'm just letting the lash glue get tacky a little bit. And next, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lashes the way that I always do. And again, if you want me to film a video like showing you guys in detail how I apply my lashes, I can also do that for you guys. Just let me know in the comments because people always ask me like, how do you do your lashes and stuff, you know. Well, then I'm going with the same 24G palette by Morphe. I'm just adding some, you know, some color and some shade to my eyes. And next, just to set everything before I add my highlight and contour, I added my I like to spray my face because it makes it like more shiny. So here I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm just adding my my highlight on my areas that I want to glow. So, you know, my cheeks, my nose, and I also add some in my teardrop because it makes me even look better, you know what I'm saying. Next, I'm just using this NYX lip liner, and then I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is my fave. I love this lip gloss, okay. Actually, this is my go-to. I've been using this a lot in the summertime and like literally every time throughout the year. Like, I just love this this lip gloss so much. So yeah, here I'm just basically applying it, and I add a lot because I like my lips to be glossy, honey. And then to finish the whole look, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my NYX spray, and boom, here you guys got it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And you guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys on my next video.